Think your neighborhood is safe?
Open the door. I gotta poop.
These doorbell camera clips
In the box, demon.
might just make you think twice. A neighbor shared this Ring doorbell footage of probably the best Halloween costume I've ever seen in my life.
Just a minute. Feel free to park your broom.
It's so fun to be invisible! Yes, I got the candy!
Tom's River, New Jersey. Just a friendly reminder. Make sure everything's in order.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, open the door. I gotta poop. Open the door. Open the door. I gotta poop. Can I use your bathroom? I gotta poop really bad.
I'm the box, demon. I'm the box, demon. I'm the box, demon.
Portland, Oregon. A neighbor shared this Ring doorbell video of this guy who decided to stop by and leave this odd message.
I'm here for your soul. Please cooperate. If you do not cooperate within the next 24 hours, your children will be taken by their stuffies.
Ask to borrow sugar. Friendly neighbor or a bit much?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm your neighbor from there. I know this is a bit of an odd request, but I was wondering if you had any sugar I could borrow. I didn't want to go all the way to the store. So, you don't have to answer, but I know you can hear me, being that you got this Ring doorbell on. I hear you on the inside, but nobody's answering the door.
Strange visit. Even stranger claims.
Day before yesterday, and the electrical wires that are in the street were used to run something internally to my body. And so unfortunately I have crooked law enforcement involved, and so I needed someone in the neighborhood. I just wanted to let you know that. So anyways, my name's Micaiah. They did something internally to my body, and they are using electrical wires back here that they shouldn't be using. So I just wanted to make sure.
So I got it.
Thanks.
Leave this porch.
Damn.
Orange wig. Halloween spirit or something else?
Next time you pop my door or my mailbox, I'm calling the cops on your fat. Fat black bitch.
Caught on camera. Someone writing on a doorbell with a marker.
Why are you pushing my doorbell? Why? You can talk to me. What's wrong? Okay, you don't connect.
Elmwood Park, Illinois. Not your ideal walking buddy.
They got a camera in.
Package dropped. Stranger grabbed. No questions asked.
Take them now? Okay, so I'm gonna take them to her, and then if anything, I'll let you know what's going on.
Tired stranger at the door. Just needs a nap, or so they say.
Ma'am, hello?
Yes, can I come in? I'm really tired. I just want to take a nap.
Ma'am, I'm calling the police right now. You need to leave the premises.
Gilbert, Arizona. Left groceries out. Someone else picked them up.
I swear.
Someone in a pig mask showed up at the front door, and no one knows why. A stranger showed up at the door claiming they were looking for someone no one knows who.
Call the police. I'm calling the police.
Okay,
I'm calling
what's your
the
name?
police.
Hey, what's your name?
Why? You're at my house.
My name's Chelsea Bedell, and I'm looking for a little boy named Zane Lee Fox.
Okay.
And my
I'm
sister's
sorry.
name's Courtney.
Okay.
I'm sorry?
I haven't seen them. I'm not at home.
Okay, well, do you know Courtney? She got tattoos on her neck and all down her body.
No, I don't know anybody on the street. I'm sorry.
Okay, sorry. Here, I'll fix your deal.
Okay,
Apologize.
thanks. Thank you.
A person was caught on a Ring camera, seemingly trying to rob a postal worker in broad daylight.
Hey! Get away from me, man! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me, man! Get away!
Don't even move. Don't even move. I'll see you. Don't move. Don't even move. Don't move. Don't move. No cap. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. What the f*** wrong with you? Lay down. Lay your arms out. Lay your arms. Lay your arms out. Move your arms out. Move them out.
Is anybody else in the house?
Out. Lay down. Lay down.
Anybody in the house?